Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how I prepared mango and papaya slush, and I'm also going to show you how I prepared papaya slush. Normally when I go to coffee shops, I tend to order this slush and it's very costly. We can prepare this at home with very minimal ingredients, and right now it is mango and papaya season, so I'm going to prepare it. I'll first prepare this mango and papaya slush. I'm going to use the papaya, which is already cleaned and reserved. The mango is also washed, peeled and reserved. In a mixer jar, I'm going to add sugar. You can use diet sugar, you can use regular white sugar as I am doing, or you can use even honey. It's up to you. I'm going to chop and add the mango into large chunks along with the papaya. This is a very simple recipe. I wouldn't call this a recipe. I'm just going to show you the techniques to prepare the slush at home. Normally in juice shops and this cafes, if you go, it's very costly. For one tall tumbler of slush, they'll charge you 150. We can very well prepare this at home. So I've chopped and added the papaya as well. This is de-seeded and peeled papaya. It's already very ripe, so it's not edible. You can prepare juice rather. So now I've pureed this papaya and mango. It should be nice and smooth. Make sure there is no large chunks. Make sure there is no large chunks. Puree it as fine as possible. Now once this is pureed, I'm just going to transfer it to a steel container and freeze this for 4 to 5 hours. Slush is very refreshing, especially during summer season, and it's very hot. It's very refreshing. It gives you that good sensation when you drink it. As you can see, after 4 to 5 hours, it's not completely frozen because it's just fruit puree. It's not frozen. It's still in that puree format. So now I'm going to mix water and freeze it again. Once I mix the water and freeze it, it will start to freeze and it will be very nice and crystally. So I've added in small batches about 1 cup of water. I'm going to give this a good stir using a fork. When you place the fruit puree inside the fridge, it doesn't freeze all the way through. It will have that soft consistency. So now I've added 1 cup of water and I've stirred it well. I'm going to freeze it for another 4 to 5 hours. Now this is frozen. You can see it's formed crystals. Using a sharp knife, I'm just going to chop it into large chunks and add it to a mixer jar and grind it. The recipe in detail will be on my blog, friends. I wouldn't call this a recipe, it's a technique, that's all. You have to follow the steps and follow the technique. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Apart from this recipe, there are many other recipes and reviews posted on a regular basis. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. Once this is ground, I'm going to go ahead and serve it. I'm using a tall tumbler to serve it. So this is very nice and refreshing. I'm going to start preparing the papaya slush. For the papaya slush also, it's very simple. Just 2 ingredients: papaya, which is cleaned and reserved, and sugar. You can either use diet sugar or regular sugar. Now in a mixer jar, I've added the sugar. I'm just going to chop and add the papaya. I'll grind it into a smooth puree and transfer it to a bowl and freeze it. Now the same process, once you freeze it, you have to remove it from the fridge, add water, mix it and freeze it again. So that is what I've done here. I've already added water and I've frozen this. Now the papaya is also ready. I'm just going to use a sharp knife and chop it into chunks and add it to a mixer jar. We'll grind this to form a smooth puree and serve it up. The slush will be ready. Why I call this a slush? Because it's got that crystal consistency in that, and when you drink it, it's nice and tasty. You can chew on that ice, and when you drink it, it's very nice and refreshing. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. My blog link will be posted in the description box below this video, or you can click the iCard above this video, which will direct you to my blog. All these recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. I've gone ahead and served this slush. You can prepare this at home. It's very nice and cheap, cost effective. You can prepare it at home. Do try this recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.